Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Glory Fit smartwatch, and this time we are going to check one of its main features. So this smartwatch, it has a heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. So it has a health functions, okay, monitoring your health 24/7. So we are going to check that, okay, and compare it with our medical grade device here, the heart rate and blood pressure monitoring. And if we have the time, we are going to check and compare the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen with our Apple Watch. Okay, so I guess we are ready now. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I'm going to check first the heart rate monitoring and the blood pressure of the smartwatch. Okay, so let's adjust the display first. Okay, let's make it bright. Okay, let's check the heart rate. So we have here a heart rate monitoring. So it's now checking. So we have a high heart rate right now. Okay, we've been doing a lot of things, and it is now checking 96. I think this is continuous monitoring. Okay, so it is around this one. Okay, so around 99 to 100 plus, 104, 98. So it is in continuous monitoring mode. Okay, we'll check it and compare it with Apple Watch later on. Okay, so 96. How about the blood pressure? So remember, it's around 90 something, 98 to 100, the range. How about for the blood pressure? Let's see. Okay, it's taking some time for the blood pressure. The heart rate is in real time. Okay, it is now testing, checking. Okay, it's taking a long time to check our blood pressure. So we have here 112/70. Okay, so let's check with our Omron medical grade device here. So let's attach it. So it is using an air pump, and we have here an airbag. Okay, so we have here our Omron medical device. It will take our blood pressure as well as the heart rate, okay, the pulse. So let's check. Okay, let's start. Okay, later on we are going to have a simultaneous monitoring, so we can check it better. Okay, so it's now checking. Okay, so let's wait. Just stop pumping air, and it's now checking our blood pressure as well as our heart rate. So we have here 108/85. Okay, so 97, it is in the range of our heart rate. Remember our blood pressure? What was the last record? 120/70. Okay, oh, it's par. Okay, again, let's try to check. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring. Okay, let's go first with our blood pressure. So it takes time for the blood pressure for our Glory Fit smartwatch. So let's see if we will have a good results here. So far the results is not close, but the heart rate is is in the range. Okay. So let's check. One 12/73, and we have here 108/82. Okay, so almost 4 points on the app on the systolic and 10 points for the diastolic. We have here the heart rate 91. Let's check with the heart rate here. Seems like the heart rate is off. As you can see here, we have 91, but we have 54 here. Okay. So I think it's in a 57-54 range. There's a big change. Okay. Again, let's try to check. So 59. Okay. So we'll stop this and we'll check it with our Apple Watch. So let's see. Okay. Seems like the result is not the same anymore. Okay, for the heart rate. Okay, for the heart rate, let's check. So we have 75 here, 88 for the other one, and now it's the same result. Okay, we'll try again with the Omron. It's almost the same with the Apple Watch here, as you can see. Okay. I think it has a good heart rate. Maybe we did not just wear the smartwatch properly earlier when we check it with the Omron. We'll have another one just to see. Okay, so the same heart rate. Okay, for the Glory Fit smartwatch with the Apple Watch, as you can see, just a minor difference. You almost have the same result. Okay, let's see if this will increase. Goes 88 for the other one. Oh, see, as you can see here, it drops. Okay. Okay, so seems like the heart rate is okay if you compare it with the Apple Watch. Let's see with this one. Okay. We'll check it again. Okay. We'll wear it properly. So as you can see, it's in the 90 range. Okay. Let's go with the heart, with the blood pressure. Okay. Just a few seconds, we'll have our results for the blood pressure. We have 110/81 with the 89 beats per minute. As you can see on the top, just 3 plus 3, and here on the bottom part it's 10. Okay, the same with the result previously. Okay, the diastolic is off by 10. Okay, So 96, 97, okay, it's almost the same now with the heart rate. Okay, just see a few points, okay, or beats increase. Okay, so seems like the result is getting closer now. Okay, so far okay with the heart rate. Okay, but there's an issue with the blood pressure. It's a bit off, especially on the diastolic part. Okay, so that's it for our Glory Fit smartwatch blood pressure and heart rate monitoring. For the blood oxygen, so let's see with our Apple Watch, of course. So let's check. We have a blood oxygen here. We have it here. So we have 96, 99, and then in our Apple Watch it is still counting or monitoring. So we have here 89%. Okay, let's see here with our Glory Fit smartwatch. It's different, as you can see here. It's also off by 10. I'm not sure if which is accurate, but of course the Apple Watch has a much reliable sensor compared to this one. Okay, so 91%. Okay, so let's check again. Okay, I will check again for the third time and we'll see. So 98%, 99, 96. Okay, 92%. So it's different. Okay, so far seems like the result for the health, the heart rate is okay. The blood pressure, there's some issues, but just the minor issues when it comes to the result. So the diastolic is a bit different. Okay, so that's it for our health monitoring functions, okay, demo for the Glory Fit smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below. Goodbye.